And welcome to another advanced art lesson overview. Today is sketch stretch 2, keep calm and create something. I love the idea of this lesson because we're focusing on hard versus soft boundaries. And it really is a key to practicing and a key to getting better with your art and sketching. And it's a great thing to focus on for your independent study. Practice makes perfect, guys. It really does. I was trying to zoom in. I can't zoom in. I can't zoom in. You guys are like, okay, I'm done watching this. Practice really makes perfect, so please keep going back. I love this picture. This is a picture of art. It's a whole movement online of from 1990 to 2014. Look how much difference practice makes. So make sure you keep practicing. You're always getting better. Shout out to Evelyn Ordonez. Here is her taking risk with line. I love how dark and bold she's going here. Okay, I'm going to be quiet. Back to the lesson. Please type questions in the warm-up and cool-down chat box. Show your face. 0101 equals twinkles. About the lesson. Guys, today, I'm missing you if you're not here and you're doing this at night, but today we will be thinking critically about the importance of sketching with a wide variety of value as we create art, and we use 75% or more of the items in our sketch kits. Guys, I really want you to use the supplies in your sketch kits and then create 2 or more pieces. 2 or more that show strong awareness of hard versus soft boundaries. Go ahead and label them. Put them in your group PowerPoint. Don't forget to paste them in your slides. Here's the checklist. Guys, email me any sort of progress you're making, and I can provide you with live feedback. Show your face. Show yourself sketching. Rosabelle is right. After class, continue to create. Keep calm. Create something. Be zen with your art. Don't get stressed out. But as long as you're sketching, you're good. The worst thing you could do is to not draw anything at all. So don't be afraid of the page. The page is a metaphor for life. Jump in. We're going to do our warm-up chat box. You could reflect about this after class if you're not here. But please think about the following. How do you feel about your ability to make an object look three-dimensional? All right. Moving on, everyone's going to go ahead and draw. We're going to talk about the difference between hard versus soft boundaries. And which one's which? Can you guess? This is soft. C and D are soft. A and B are hard. All right. So really like having those clear edges when something ends, or are you showing a curve with a slight shift in value? The key to showing that slight shift is value scale. So for each of your sketch kits, I'm going to ask that you do a value scale as a warm up. Just kind of do a value. The video will take you through that. And think, can you find a soft boundary in this watercolor escape? I can. I'm not going to point it out. Did I just point it out? Ah! Can you find them? Where are they? Where are the hard boundaries? Here is the suggested work sequence for your mediums as you do Studio Thursday. Start with the value scales. And then use complementary colors and sudden shifts in your value to create hard boundaries. So value scales create your soft boundaries. This is a soft boundary, a value scale. So just to be clear, this sudden change down here, this blending, moving from here to here, this is a slow soft boundary shift. Okay, especially this blending one down here. That's how you're practicing with soft boundaries. And then practice doing hard boundaries. Okay, the video shows you how to do that. These are the sketch pages that you should be filling out in your group PowerPoint. You are not drawing noses necessarily. I know. You're not drawing noses, but you're kind of like finding objects in your house and you're doing those soft boundaries, like the side of this pumpkin. You can move ahead and do the fight with light because these 2 sketch stretches kind of talk to each other. Kind of like drawing this egg. Oh, I got to draw that egg. I'm going to do that for my next sketch stretch. But like use your Prismacolors and your pencils to go ahead and show those curves and that fight with light, that consistent light source. But we're focusing on this one today. But you can work ahead, okay? Here is the video. It's a good one. Okay, the first one was a little crazy. The first two, I have to admit. Please watch the video. Takes you through some exercises of hard versus soft boundaries. Cool down Chatbox. Explain the difference. To what extent did you think about light when you were doing this? Because these two things talk. Exit slip. Don't forget to do the exit slip. You're going to get credit for them. I'm working on grades tomorrow. And guys, make sure your work is in the Vans folder. Okay, that's just a quick reminder. If you're having tech issues or don't understand what I mean by the group slides and your digital portfolio, tech check, come to my office hours on Mondays and Wednesdays. I am deleting this because, hey, you guys don't need to worry about that. Any sort of extra credit is anything extra you do in your digital portfolio and you add on. This was a lesson overview with Miss Copera. I hope you have a good time. Guys, follow me on YouTube and please, please, please watch this video. Okay, paint with me. Use time to create. Take a break from your AP classes and use your sketch kit. Use your sketch kit. You will get the A. All right, here we go.